Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your ChatGPT account. Let's get started. First, open our ChatGPT app. Once it open, tap the two lines here you can see to access our account settings. From there you can see here my name and account. You can see three dot here, click on it, scroll a little bit. You can see here data plan here, click on it. You can see the delete account here. If we delete all chat, if we delete all chat here, our all the chat will be deleted. And if we delete account here, our all the account, this account will delete here. So let's delete our account. Click on it, delete account. It's deleting our account. Log out. Your account has been quit or for deletion. Now log out. This way we can delete our ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Like it, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks from this channel. We'll see you soon.